Today we will see how to set the SGOT kit. To understand for the programming procedure for SGOT, stay with me till end of this video. Welcome to Perfexn. We will see how to set the SGOT kit in every semi-auto biochemistry analyzer. I have taken the SGOT kit and will program it on the semi-auto biochemistry analyzer. Both are being manufactured by the Perfexn. Before proceeding, I will show its clinical significance. Next, I will show its symptoms. And last, its normal values. To enter the parameters for the basic, enter for the edit name, that is we have to perform for the SGOT. Go for the backspace and press for the SGOT. As SGOT is a kinetic mode, there is no reagent blank, so we have to enter for the no blank. Now enter for the units. Here on the parameter, the manufacturer have mentioned the units as a units per liter. So enter for the units per liter. Now go for the procedure for the reagent. The reagent requirement on the literature, you will see the manufacturer have given the reagent volume up to 1000 microliter. As I am performing the test in the half ratio, so I will enter for the 500 total volume of the reagent, and for the sample volume, you will see on the literature it is 100 for the full volume, full ratio. Here I will doing the half ratio, so I am going for the 50. The factor you will see on the literature, that is the factors mentioned over here is about 1746. So I have to enter over here 1746. Press for the test mode. The test mode is of the kinetic method. Enter for the kinetic method. The wavelength over here on the screen, on the literature, you will see the 340. So mention for the 340. The temperature required for the test process is up to 37 degrees Celsius. So enter for the 37 degrees Celsius. The delay time over here is up to 60 seconds. You will see on the literature. So mention for the 60 seconds. I mentioned for the parameter setting for the wait time. You will see over here the wait time for the SGOT. You have to calculate for the reading of the numbers and the wait. The reading waits is 60 seconds and the reading numbers is 3. So we have to calculate for in the multiplication form. We will get the total volume of total time for 80 seconds. Here the linearity error is up to approximately 5%. So leave it as it is and save for this. On the literature you will see the linearity of the SGOT. It is of 500 units per liter. So save it and go for the run for the test. For carrying out the procedure for the SGOT, I will tell its requirements. We want the SGOT kit with the reagents of R1, that is the buffer reagent, and R2, that is the substrate reagent. Pipettes, variable pipettes, 1000 microliter, 100 microliter, with its tips, dry and clean dry tips, and the test tubes, clean and dry test tubes, and the sample, serum sample. And we want the tissue paper also for that. Now we will proceed for the test. On the screen you will see they have made told about for the aspiration for the distilled water. We have to aspirate for it. Before test we have to take out the reagent from the refrigerator, and the temperature should be the room temperature, and then only we have to start the test. So that there will be no error for the test. I have calculated for the 400 in the pipette. You will see on the, this is a variable pipette, and I have to take the ratio of 4:1, that is 4 parts of R1 reagent. Take without air bubble. Close the lid tightly to avoid the contamination. Take the R2, that is the ratio of 100. The volume of R2, that is the burst substrate reagent, I am taking up to 100 microliter without air bubble. The sample requirement for this half ratio procedure for the test is up to 50 microliter. I am taking here the biochemistry control of level 1, and I have to pour it in the reagent tube, wipe it out the excess amount of the sample, mix in the test tube of the R1 and R2, mix it well and escalate for the test. Mention the initial OD, you will see on the screen, it is 1.966. The complete graph is taken for 180 seconds as it is a decreasing phase. The value of the control R1 is 31.73. So here I have used the BioRed control, and here I will show you the control sheet of the SGOT. You will see on the screen the target is 38.3 and the target range is 25.9 to 50.7. So our range have value of 31.73 is being carried out by this test. If you want to know the kidney function test and lipid profile test procedure, please see the playlist in the description box.